From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, a good Thursday afternoon, and thanks for tuning into your CNET forecast. I'm student meteorologist Juklo, and boy, has it turned out to be a dull day here in central Pennsylvania. A lot of clouds over Beaver Stadium right now and a temperature of only 41 degrees. It's not only chilly, but there's a honking wind out of the west at 20 miles per hour right now, and that's bringing your feels like down to 32 degrees. So if you are heading out this afternoon or this evening, you certainly want to pack on the layers, as it will be a chilly November night here in State College. 41 degrees right now, but notice to the west, 40 miles, you're in the 30s. So 34 in Du Bois, 38 in Clearfield. Kind of a similar trend throughout the state. Notice the coldest air across western Pennsylvania. Still some milder air hanging off to the southeast. 57 in Philly and 51 degrees right now in Harrisburg. Radar satellite, notice that with this cold air that's moving in, we have seen some showers pop up. It's cold enough now that we have some snow showers across the north central mountains. Other than that, notice that the activity is pretty scattered in nature and very light. So couple little spokes there of flurries or sprinkles in Center County, similarly off to the west down towards Pittsburgh. I really expect most of this to be shutting down as we head toward this evening as this system begins to pull away. So any Thursday evening plans, you're really in good shape, and even into your Friday, we're going to see lots of sunshine. It will still be on the cool side, but at least we'll be rain-free. We're not going to be rain-free Saturday. That's our next storm system that we'll be tracking. Rain likely first in the morning on Saturday. It does look like we'll transition over to showers by the afternoon, and then another round of rain for your Saturday night. And then in behind the front, we'll get in on some much colder air and also some snow showers come Sunday, and it does look to continue to be a cool stretch as we head into next week. Future weather will illustrate all the changes. So notice tonight, 10, 11 o'clock, most of the activity has quieted down. Clouds still around over the Laurel Highlands. Could still be some light snow showers, but notice tomorrow morning, most of us wake up to a mostly sunny sky. And notice throughout the afternoon, instead of a northwest wind, we begin to shift to more of a southerly wind direction. So that will help to bring in some milder air for tomorrow afternoon. So we'll make it into the 40s for a change. Tonight, 31 for a low under a mostly cloudy sky. Northwest wind will still be up around 10 to 15, so it will feel more like the 20s for much of your night tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, pretty pleasant late November day here in central PA. 46 degrees for a high, winds shifting to a southwesterly direction. Then we turn our attention to Saturday. Of course, we have our football game, last home football game here of the season at Penn State. Notice by Friday night, we're still quiet, but the clouds begin to increase. Associated with this warm front, we'll see the first batch of rain move in probably by about 8 or 9 a.m. Saturday morning. Does look like any tailgating plans Saturday really don't look to be in good shape. Expecting a good deal of rain around for the late morning and early afternoon. The good news is, look, by 4 o'clock, the darker colors are off to the north and off to the west, so it does look like some drier air will work its way in by late Saturday afternoon. Still keeping the threat for a few showers for game time, but really think that most of the game will probably get off dry. 7 o'clock, similar story, but that's when our cold front begins to approach. So by about 10, 11 o'clock, good deal of rain starts to spread in. Some of that maybe could be heavy for a brief period of time. In behind the front, much colder air works its way in, and that will transition any leftover rain showers over to snow showers, especially in northwest PA and over the Laurel Highlands, as is typical for lake effect snow setup. So here's your football forecast. Rain likely early in the day, so any tailgating plans, you better pack those ponchos and the umbrellas because it will be on the cool and wet side. Throughout the day, we'll transition over to more of just a few showers. Really think that the warmest part of the day will come late in the game, so we might reach the low 50s by the fourth quarter, but that will all change by the time we wake up Sunday morning. 40 degrees by Sunday afternoon, that's it. A few sprinkles or flurries around here in central PA. Clearing skies by Monday. Does look like we'll rebound into the 40s come Tuesday, but that will be short-lived as we see another front cross Tuesday night, and that will drop us back off into the upper 30s for mid next week. Turkey Day, Thursday. Early look shows dry, but right now on the cool side, 38 degrees under a partly sunny sky.